everybody, Chance Reynolds here. I wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of a product, a software, an ecosystem that is launching called Hydra AI. I'm going to be doing a review of it. I do have early access to the actual backend, to the software, I'm calling it an ecosystem because it has several different things. It's not just a software. Yeah, and you'll see exactly what that is. I do have some exclusive bonuses that I've created specifically for this offer, so definitely stick around to check those out. If you already kind of know what the product is, you can look probably somewhere around this video and skip to the bonuses if you want, but I suggest watching the whole thing. So this is an AI turnkey profit machine. This is the headline from them. It spits out $758 plus daily passively into their accounts, and after looking at what the product itself can actually do, I don't necessarily doubt that. I do think that you could use this to make that or even possibly more. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and I'll show you something new and how you can make money every single day, because this is a great way to use AI, leverage AI to make money online using affiliate marketing. Yeah, if you're struggling to get started or you want to scale your income, this is something that can help you get that done quickly. Okay, and I like to show the actual sales page that you're going to land on, just so you know what you're going to be landing on, know what to expect before I actually show the back end of the actual product itself, which I do a comprehensive look at the actual back end and show you exactly what's in there. So it's going to be an AI turnkey profit machine, prints nonstop affiliate profits for us automatically the lazy way, and you'll see why this is the one-stop shop and why it's so turnkey, because every piece that you need is in there. It's like standard landing page stuff here, but you can see zero experience required. Our AI does all the work for us. Never worry about traffic. That piece is already like inside of the system, and you'll see that in just a second. The AI system helps push the traffic, works in any niche. Like there's like a landing page builder built in. You'll see it has templates there already. It has like fitness niche, make money niche, everything that you need. It has webinar based like landing pages, opt-in, checkout pages. I don't want to go through all that because I'm going to go through it in a second. But you can generate your actual videos and reels using AI, your video descriptions, your video titles. There is a 60-day money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about, getting in and not liking it. You have 60 days to make sure that it is what you need. And I assure you, if you get in and you use it, it will work great for you. So let's take a look at the actual back end of the product. Okay, so I'm in the back end of Hydra AI here, and I want to show you how it kind of covers every bit of your affiliate marketing journey. You can use this for your own offers. You can use it for list building, stuff like that. I mean, I'm going to just show you kind of what's involved here. But one of the things I like about James's products is that James knows what the full journey of an affiliate marketer or even a product creator is going to be. So all the bases within this one system are all covered just right here, and I'll show you. So this is the pages section where you can actually build out your bridge pages, your opt-in pages, your checkout pages. You can see these are some of the checkout page templates that they have here, but you can customize these super duper easy. It's almost like ClickFunnels in the back end, where it's just a drag and drop builder, super duper easy. But you can see they have landing pages, checkout pages, coming soon pages, giveaways, opt-ins, signups, thank yous, and webinar pages. So if you're doing any of those things, the templates are already there. But for me, normally what I do is I just erase everything out and just build it on my own. But the templates that they have, like for the landing pages and the opt-in pages, which I've looked at, are really, really good. The next thing that you need is an offer. And what the marketplace tab here has are actual Warrior Plus deals and JV Zoo deals that are just listed. Let's just take a look. So let's go to the JV Zoo deals. And what I will do once I get in here, and what I suggest you do, is you find, the stuff that you want to sell here. And then this is your headline right here. This is what they're using as their selling point. These are just all the deals that are inside of JV Zoo. You can look at everything right there, and then you want to just copy and paste that and then use that as your headline. That's a super smart way to do it. The social videos piece of it opens up in a new window here. You can see the massive amount of different types of videos that you can make using AI. This is like really the AI piece where that gets started. You'd go to just create new here. You can do landscape, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn story videos, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and it's already in the proper format. Like one of the things that when I do like Facebook ads, I don't do it that often, but sometimes I do. Like I'm running a few right now, actually. You think it's going to be like a regular Facebook post. And so I'll like boost it up. And then the image looks all weird. So this is a great way to like get in front of that and make sure that it's not going to cause any issues. They have TikTok videos here, and the assets and the video assets and stuff are already in there. Take a quick look. So there are all of these pre-made templates in here. You can switch out all this stuff. You can see super duper easy to edit that. It's almost like a Canva replacement in a way. Super easy to edit. All the tools are there. So that's the social video piece. That's the piece to help get you traffic. The AI content piece of it is here. And you have AI video titles, AI video description, and AI video tags. It acts as like a ChatGPT replacement. It does exactly like what you would use ChatGPT. Like typically I use ChatGPT for my YouTube video descriptions. You can do all of that stuff in here. You can just give it kind of an idea and it will draft out the entire thing for you. I don't think you need to see that. You're probably familiar with what ChatGPT looks like on the back end, but you don't need an API or anything like that to connect up to it. The AI bot, the traffic pieces. Let's take a look. This is how you can actually blast the stuff that you've made here, where you've gotten your deals here, and where you are going to send the actual traffic here. You would create your social videos, create your social content, and you can blast it all out to all of these social channels right here from within the actual ecosystem itself. It's just got everything in there. So the AI piece to actually do all the writing for you can do in different languages as well, as all AI can do. The traffic piece, you need to get eyeballs on your stuff. That's here. The actual video to get people over to your pages, which you can also create here. It's a one-stop shop for everything that you need for your affiliate marketing needs. Okay, now that you've seen the back end, we're going to go over some of the specific bonuses that I have built specially for this offer. You cannot find these anywhere else. Typically for bonuses, you need them to be like very relevant to the actual product itself. And you're going to see mine in just a minute. And I built them specifically for this product. So don't fall for some irrelevant, useless bonus where somebody has 20, 30 bonuses listed of stuff that's just completely irrelevant. And it's just free stuff that you're never, ever going to use. They're just going to collect dust on your hard drive. My bonuses this time around are going to get you paid, plain and simple, setting you up to win more quickly. That's kind of the goal of my bonuses, is to use what I've seen in the back of the product to help you get results more quickly than you could without it. So by pairing Hydra AI with these add-ons, you're going to be ahead of everybody else that gets this that don't have it. So bonus number one is going to be Hydra Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Checklist. I specially made this to help navigate more quickly the things that need to be accomplished to make money using this product. I made it myself. It's there for you if you get in. So I recommend you use this as you go through. I have course here, but as you go through the software itself and you go through each tab, as you've seen, go through each step that you need to do, this will help you do that. Next is going to be Hydra Twitter Activator Series. Give you a full bonus course on how to use Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it, to get more traffic and sales in your business with Hydra. So it will just be an additional way to get traffic and get you profitable more quickly by driving traffic to those opt-ins, building your list, to the offers, to the checkout pages that you have built actually inside of Hydra using the AI. And then there's also going to be bonus number 3, Hydra Sales Booster ebook. It's a bonus ebook. It's going to teach you additional ways to make money and just more generalized theories and strategies on affiliate marketing that will just kind of make you a more rounded marketer. If you're looking to make this more of like a serious day in, day out business, it's just very, very helpful to kind of see what the pros, how they view things. And this is something that I think will be tremendously helpful to anyone. So I went all out to provide the best bonus package possible to complement this product. I want to make sure you're getting the best value for your money. And with my complimentary free bonuses, I know that you're going to. I am going to ask that in order for you to get these bonuses, you invest in the main product, of course, and then any one OTO, any one upgrade, and you can get the bonuses. A lot of times I do 2 upgrades. This time I'm going to do 1. There's a lot of great OTOs in this. Go through them and just make sure that you find one that's, I suspect you'll find more than one, but at least one that can help you get there more quickly. That's the goal there. So just to recap, completely brand new AI method, super simple to implement. Anyone can do it. Everything's 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills required. As you've seen, it's so easy. You don't need a budget, experience, or any of the usual stuff to get this going. You're going to discover something I think it's a pretty clever thing that James has done with this. So because this system is a complete A to Z system that works fast, you can quickly go from 0 to consistent daily revenue. Stop buying shiny objects that are going to get you nowhere. Do yourself a favor, get my bonuses today, invest in the main product and at least 1 OTO, and you will be auto delivered my bonuses. Love you guys.